Meaning of intricacy.
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 Intricacy. The term intricacy refers to the quality or state of being complex, complicated, or having many interconnected parts or elements. It suggests something that is difficult to understand, analyze, or untangle due to its elaborate nature, sophistication, or intricateness. In general, intricacy implies a high degree of complexity and detail that requires careful examination or close attention to fully comprehend. For example, a scientific theory or a work of art can be described as having a great deal of intricacy if it involves many interdependent components, layers, or nuances that contribute to its overall meaning or effect.